Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at the Finley River just south here of Nixa, probably about 5 or 6 miles south of Nixa. I haven't fished this river in a couple of years, but normally when I fish it, it's up by Ozark, Missouri. So I'm going to try this stretch. The water looks good, and targeting smallmouth. Up a ways, there's a big pool. I don't know how deep it is, but I'm going to hit that, and it looks like there's some rock ledges, and you guys are going to get to see this on the GoPro here in a few minutes. Kick back and enjoy. I'm already liking this. I like this. Got a big old log up here. Got a baby blue heron just flew by. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Water feels good. When I was walking down this bridge, there was a little spring up there. It's been about 20 minutes I've been fishing and I haven't got anything. But I did find this little hole. Doesn't look too deep. There's a rock wall up there. And maybe in this current, there's a smallmouth or something feeding. We're gonna find out. I'm going 40 minutes and I haven't caught anything. But I do want to show you some of the scenery. Got this little current right here. Still no luck. I've got this rock wall over here and still using the MEPS. There's not a lot of deep holes, but I think I see a smallmouth. I think I see a smallmouth in there. It's not a big one, but as you can see, there's a rock ledge up ahead, overhang. It's just not that deep, and I don't know what the deal is today, but I've been in an hour and I'm not catching anything. A lot of times with a rock bottom like this, with a rock ledge overhang, you'll get some smallmouth or a goggle eye or bass in there, just kind of feeding in that slow current or medium current. But in this shade, I'm going to switch up. Rock formation, nice little pretty bluff. I don't know if I can get this. Got the snag out and keep on going down, but I'll take a closer look at that bluff. It's pretty. See the rock formations. Hopefully I got it. Now, as you can see, I'm standing on a log and I'm gonna cast right here. That water felt good. I need to cool off. And around the bend, we got a big rock formation. I'm gonna give it about another hour and then I might be done for the day. But a nice 10-inch smallmouth or something would persuade me to stay. So when I use this lure, I just throw it out there. I let it sink to the bottom, and with a current, I just kind of slowly lift it up. Just kind of retrieve it in. And you'll know, because they'll hit it a couple of times. When they really want it, they'll just grab it. Yeah, I got some dogs barking at me. They're saying, keep away. Just got me a smallmouth, so I'm not leaving skunked. And he got off, but we'll take him. We'll take him. Got him right there. I'll try again. That felt good, catch one. Just got one, another one. Got him right in that little hole right there. It's a goggle eye, that's two. Maybe it's warming up a little bit, I don't know. But I'm gonna fish this little hole right here where I caught him. So I'm not getting skunked. I'll work that hole right there. Got another one. That's awesome. So I'm having luck in these little pockets, just dropping it. So he was a small one, but we'll take him, and he took my tail. But I saw a bigger one down there, so I'm gonna pop it, and I'm gonna switch to a crawl here in a little bit. Got another one. He's bigger. There we go. Ah, broke my line. Okay, there's something nibble on it. Right there. Got him. Here we go. Perfect. Perfect. Figured the pattern out. Figured where they're at. So they're in these little pockets right here. As you can see. And I'm just gonna do it again. That's the thing about fishing. You just... Whoa! Did you see that? Smallmouth just jumped. Hope I got that on film. There's got to be another one in there. He's a good one. Right off. There we go. I got him good. Check that out. Caught him off the rocks. It's probably 12 inches. Caught him good. I caught him on the Bubba Red. He's about 11, 12 inches. Hey, I'll take him. I will take him. Let's let him go. Caught me another one, a goggle eye. Off the Bubba Red, so I'm up to 6 fish. Change of events. All right. Oh, we got one. Right on the, perfect. Smallmouth, got off, little ones. Try again. Got another one. There we go, they're popping out. Ah, perfect. They're coming alive. Maybe I went too early. I don't know. Get him, he's a little one. We take him. We take him. Boy, it started out rough. Maybe late summer, I need to start out around 9 o'clock, maybe 10. What a turnaround. I started out here early around 8:30 and it was slow the first couple hours. And maybe I'm going out a little bit too early in late summer, so I might start coming out around 9:30. It's time for me to get something to eat, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Till next time, bye.